About to go in precision tune and check up on this Dodge. Dodge. What am I talking about? Dodge. This Buick Rendezvous. You know, people can't talk and back up a car at the same time. But yeah, about to go and check out this Dodge caliper and see exactly what I need for it. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, so hopefully I don't need too much for it. You know, I'm going here right now and see what's going on. But yeah, let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Gotta go in and holler at the bros at Precision Tune. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. I think Joe just called me with some bad news. Just every time he called me, he's taking money out of my pocket. You know what I'm saying? Got the homie Joe. Oh man, I didn't tell y'all, Aaron is gone, man. Aaron left. He went to another shop. Now they got the big homie Joe doing this thing, you know. So,
Oh, you finally vlogging and shit?
I know I've been doing my thing. I just haven't been recording up in here. I need a caliber. What is it? Caliper?
Yeah, caliper.
All right, cool. Ah, man. These damn cars, there's always something wrong. You know? No, I've been doing pretty good though with the cars, to be honest. Like I've been getting pretty lucky, you know what I'm saying? Like with that that Tahoe, I got pretty lucky on that. All I needed was that battery.
Never came in to put that piece in.
What piece?
The one that you
Oh, I forgot. He bought the car.
Yeah.
Dude bought the car and I forgot. So
I can only do that.
let me get these tires out of here. Had to buy a couple tires for it. Also got one in the back of the back. You know, in the bike of the bike. No. Got one in the bike of the bike. All that water in there and shit. You know? But yeah, baby, y'all know. I'm in the Benz, man. So, y'all ever need a Benz? Y'all ever need a Benz, man? Come and holler at your boy. Yo, she's sparkling, baby. Sparkling clean. Yeah, she clean as hell. I'll hook you up, you know? Well, let me get these tires up again. Man. These bad boys right here. What's going on, man? My good. Smells good out here. There's a restaurant right there. There's a Mexican restaurant. They sell some good ass tacos, man. Smell good. But yeah, dude, he bought that car, man. The next day, I believe, after you fixed it. Is it the next day? No, the day when I came pick it up. Remember I picked it up?
Yeah.
I went right down there, washed it.
But don't forget that dude. You said that dude was supposed to come back to get that get his blower fixed. Supposed to put in that resistor.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. He still didn't come up here?
Oh.
I told him. I've been told him. I mean, I'll take to get my money back.
I would.
Shit, you know, I'm taking that with me, man. Forget that. He obviously don't want to get it fixed, so now he gonna have to just pay for it himself to get it fixed. You know? I'm gonna say, you took too long, brother. Got my money back.
You got a 20-day window.
Wow, that's weird as hell. You just said that because he's literally calling me right now. That's crazy. Yo, gotta drop the Infinity off at the office, man. This bad boy ride good, man. We bought this thing off ACV auctions about I guess about 6-7 days ago, so about a week ago. And we had to get a couple things done to it. Now this bad boy is riding like a champ, man. Y'all see how clean it is? Man, this is a beautiful interior. I'll show y'all the exterior once I step out. But man, this car ride real good. Look at the dash, man. Dash look good, man. These butterscotch seats, you know? So yeah, this is pretty dope right here. But I'll show y'all the exterior as soon as I step out. But man, this thing ride good. Woo! Woo! Damn! Yeah, this car is fast, man. It's a 2007 Infiniti M35X. It's a real nice car, man. It's a really nice car. So once I leave here, I'm gonna head to the auction and look for more cars, man. You know, business never stop, baby. Mind, body, and business, man. Get your mind right. You know, get your mind right, baby. Let's get it. I need to get my face right. I gotta get my hair cut, man. I've been really busy. I haven't had a chance to get my hair cut, but I think once I get home, I'm gonna take care of that too. You know what I'm saying? But I'll see y'all in a second, man. I'm gonna show y'all the exterior once I get to the office. So here's the exterior right here. Clean as a whistle, super official, baby. Clean as a whistle, super official. See what I'm saying? Zoom out a little bit. But yeah, the motherfucker real nice, man. Real nice. Let's get it. Come on, man. You said it was gonna be done in 40 minutes, brother. Is it done?
You see it outside?
Is it outside? Damn, Joe the man.
We're gonna have to talk about
So-
seniority. So
He say seniority.
I've been coming here since 2019.
You just didn't know. I knew Joe
This
all the way
young
back.
man, no, but you
Back
ain't been coming
when.
here.
I knew him way back
This
when.
has nothing to do with you and Joe's relationship. This has to do with you and Precision Tunes relationship.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Since you want to put it that way.
Look, I got
So-
2 of your cars done already.
Thank you, Joe. See, that's what I was telling. He's selfish. He
Hell
did
yeah.
2 of your
Yeah,
cars
damn
already.
Damn right I am.
And now-
Damn right I am. I'm not gonna sit here in front.
Nah, he think because he got a gold chain, he
On top of all that,
So,
you fucking gonna give me cars that take me longer to fucking look into.
hey man, I thought you liked a challenge.
Yeah, wow.
Keep your wit sharp.
So let me go ahead and pay for this rendezvous,
Hold on.
and we out of
Thank
here.
you for competitions to an up there.
It's detail time, baby. Got the homie Mo detailing his nice Malibu. And I'm about to detail this rendezvous right here. Got the 3rd row seated too, so this motherfucker nice. Yeah, baby. Man, I'm mad as hell, man. Just went to this car wash. There was a long ass line. It was like 5 cars in front of us. And so we're there for like 30 minutes. As soon as it's time for us to go get the car wash, the damn machine says, out of order, please try back later. I was mad as hell. So now we at this other car wash and about to get it washed in. But I can't leave. I have to get the car washed because I got to take pictures of the car, man. Damn. Struggles of dealing with, having a dealership, man. This shit is crazy, man. So whatever, it is what it is. Gotta do what we gotta do, baby. Gotta do what we gotta do, baby. Yeah, baby. Nice and clean. I see you nice and clean. There she is. Nice and clean, baby. All right, let's get it. Go that way. Finally got the car washed. So let's go take some pictures and we done, baby.